Now repeat after me. Zephyr. 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 Meaning. Zephyr means a gentle, soft breeze, often associated with springtime. In a sentence, a cool zephyr blew through the open window, bringing relief on a warm day. Now it's your turn. Can you use zephyr in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms: breeze, wind. Antonyms: gust, gale. Part of speech. Zephyr is a noun. Now repeat after me. Fauna. 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 Meaning: fauna refers to the animals naturally occurring in a particular region or environment. In a sentence, the fauna of the African savanna includes lions, elephants, and giraffes. Now it's your turn. Can you use fauna in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms: wildlife, animal life. Antonyms: flora, referring to plants. Part of speech. Fauna is a noun.
Now, repeat after me. Phobia. 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 Meaning: phobia means an extreme or irrational fear of a specific object, situation, or activity. In a sentence, her phobia of heights made it difficult for her to climb the mountain. Now it's your turn. Can you use phobia in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms: fear, aversion. Antonyms: courage, confidence. Part of speech. Phobia is a noun. Now, repeat after me. Zenith. 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 Meaning: zenith means the highest point or peak of something, often referring to success or achievement. In a sentence, at the zenith of his career, he was considered the best in the industry. Now it's your turn. Can you use a zenith in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms: peak, apex. Antonyms: nadir, bottom. Part of speech. Zenith is a noun.
Now, repeat after me. Biodiversity. 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 Meaning: biodiversity refers to the variety of plant, animal, and microorganism species found within ecosystem or across the earth. In a sentence, the Amazon rainforest is known for its incredible biodiversity, hosting thousands of unique species. Synonyms: biological variety, ecosystem diversity. Antonyms: monoculture, uniformity. Part of speech. Biodiversity is a noun. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.